Hi everyone, welcome back. In this video, we're going to be talking about variables in C# and data types. We will see how we can declare variables, and we'll also see the different data types that a variable can have. A variable is a way to store data in the computer's memory to be used later in the program. C# is a type-safe language, meaning that when variables are declared, it is necessary to define their data type. A data type specifies the size and type of variable values. We will start and see the most common data types one by one by starting with integers. To declare a variable, firstly we write the data type, then we give a name to it, and then we give it a value with the equal sign. Integer types store whole numbers, positive or negative, without decimals. As you can see on the screen, the size of an integer is 4 bytes, and you can also see the range of numbers that can be stored in them. So basically, from the smallest negative number that can be written with 4 bytes to the biggest positive number that can be written with 4 bytes. We can print this value to the console using console.writeLine, and then inside the brackets we write the name of the variable that we created. If we just run the application here, we'll see the value of the variable in the terminal. Next, we have the long data type, which is usually used when int is not large enough to store the value. So we can create a long variable, just give it a name, and we'll put there a big number and make sure it should end with an L. The float and double data types can store fractional numbers. Note that you should end the value with an F for floats and D for doubles. The difference between them is that the precision of float is only 6 or 7 decimal digits, while double variables have a precision of about 15 digits. Therefore, it is safer to use double for most calculations. A Boolean data type is declared with a bool keyword and can only take the values true or false. Then there is the char data type, which is used to store a single character. The character value must be surrounded by single quotes and its size is 2 bytes. The string data type then is used to store a sequence of characters. The string value must be surrounded by double quotes, and it takes a space of 2 bytes per character. This was it for this video. Thank you so much for watching as always, and make sure to stay tuned for the upcoming C# videos.